Hello, hello. This is Georgia Coatings by the Bay, your local new car paint protection expert. Today we have wrapped up the 25 Ram 1500 5-year coating applied to the full exterior. Start with these rims. They started as a matte, and now that they're a beautiful satin color that'll start to reject the brake dust, make cleaning a bit easier. If you've ever cleaned matte rims, everything in the world sticks to them. Plastics were all coated, glass was all coated except the windshield. Some people are very weary of their windshields being coated. Every once in a while there are problems, so don't blame anyone for that. Headlights, taillights, the bumper plastic, everything on the exterior except the rubber is coated. And I do a matte tire shine, so this is actually still slightly glossy as it dries, but it'll go down to a nice, just flat matte color on the tires. Nice classy look. But if you recently bought a new car or truck, you live in the Appleton area, we can serve you right in our studio. And then if you are anywhere else in Wisconsin and don't feel like making the drive, we do offer mobile service. Come right to your doorstep, install ceramic coating in your garage. It takes a single day. You can drive it to work the next morning. So all prices are directly on the website. I know sometimes people don't want to go through all the steps to find them, even though it's very prevalent on my website. So feel free to text me, 920-659-0023. I can get you a quote for anything you like. Our focus is new cars. That's kind of 95%, if not more, of our clientele. So if you recently bought a new car, you're looking for some paint protection, we'd love to talk. Coatingsbythebay.com, or you can text me directly. It's George again, and that's going to be 920-659-0023. Hope you have a great day.